Today I'll be doing some molasses grilled chicken. I turned my pan on. It's almost fall. Yes, I decided to show you my handiwork outside doing some molasses grilled chicken. Buckle up, enjoy the ride. Welcome one and all to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. If you're watching this video, it means you're liking something that I do, right? Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. So today I'll be experimenting doing some molasses grilled chicken. I'm using some leg quarters which I seasoned from overnight. There you can see the seasoned chicken, and I'll leave in the description box the seasonings that I used. They were some really tiny leg quarters. So don't be thinking it's a lot. They're like really tiny. One bite and you're done. Like really tiny. I like the birds really small. So there I laid them out on my grill after heating, and fall is almost here. So when this video will be up, it will be during fall, because fall starts I think September 21st, and I did this maybe a week or two ago, but did not get to edit my video before now. Yes, so I am doing the vlogging outside. You won't see me, but I'm the one doing it. For my sauce, I used a little Walker's Wood barbecue. I used molasses. I used a little honey. And then I used baby back ribs barbecue sauce. Yes, testing, experimenting. And so I don't remember the name of that that sauce. It's not jerk, it's a barbecue. I just tipped a little in it. I really don't like it, but I mix it with other barbecue sauce and it tastes fine. I also use a little ketchup. Did not use any sugar. I mix this in. Look at the color. It tasted so nice, so tangy. So I'm mixing everything in. Once the chicken is done grilling, then I will need to use this to coat the chicken. I did, with the chicken that I seasoned, I did season with a little of the molasses that I used. So there I went out now to turn them over on the adjacent side. And I did this on very low heat, because this outdoor grill, it will like burn like so quickly. Once you leave it unattended, it will burn. What I used on the chicken was just, I mixed a little chicken broth with the juice that came off of the seasoned chicken, and that was what I used to sprinkle on the chicken. Jamaicans use different things culturally to like do grilled chicken, jerk chicken. You can use bear. I did not have bear, so I used a little chicken broth with the seasonings that were on the meat. I also used green seasoning. So if you do see like little burns on the chicken, you know it's based because I blended green seasoning and put on it. So once the heat touches it, it looks like it's like charred, but it wasn't charred. It got a little burn because of the green seasonings that I use on it. And once you use green seasoning, you know it's literally gonna burn on the chicken. Look at it, smoke coming up. Although it's not the charcoal, it's gas, I don't mind it. Never felt like doing any regular Sunday dinner. I just decided I'm just gonna do some chicken to serve me for a few days and a little pasta. I did not cook rice, I didn't do anything. It was just a little chicken, and then I did a little pasta on the side. Yeah, that was our Sunday dinner a few weeks ago. And I did this took roughly 45 minutes to really cook. And what I did with the leg quarters too, right in the hip part of the chicken, or the section that joins on the leg, I make sure to chop that bone, because oftentimes when chicken is grilled, that portion of the chicken takes a long while to cook. So I chop the bone to make sure it cooks quick and easy. Yes, and they were so tiny. The chicken, I love my chicken this tiny. So here I am preparing some molasses grilled chicken, or molasses jerk chicken, because I did use a little jerk sauce, but it did not taste like jerk because it was not jerk. And it's the first I've ever used molasses that way. I've never like mixed it with honey, but it did give a real tangy taste and flavor. It tasted really, really good. There I am chefing it for my chicken. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Please subscribe. Share my videos. Leave comments. I know there are some few silent watchers. You watch, you never comment, but welcome to the gang. Welcome to the party. Help me on this journey. I will also be doing a live video once every month, and I definitely am going to experiment not only my culture food but other culture food, because my channel does not consist of a lot of Jamaicans. So I definitely will be experimenting on other culture food. My first live, here I am like just adding additional juice to it so that it doesn't get dried out. I did my first live video on the 22nd of September. If you haven't seen it yet, I did a plantain grilled chicken sandwich. Juicy, really, really juicy, quick and easy. It took me a little bit over 30 minutes. So every month, once, maybe the last Wednesday in every month, I will definitely be doing a live cooking, and I definitely will be not only doing Jamaican food, but experimenting other culture food too. Quick and easy to go. I will continue to prepare, and I do hope I get the support. I normally post on my community page. If I'm going live, I do it a couple days, so it is there. Not sure if persons are aware of the community page, but that's where I normally post. And I posted when I was going live like 2-3 days before. So coming in October, I will be doing another live. Look at the chicken, it's almost ready. Smoke is coming from it, and I leave the skin on, because if the skin isn't on it, then it's gonna be burnt chicken. The skin has to protect the chicken once you're like grilling, or once I'm grilling, I leave the skin on and then I eventually take the skin off. So make sure you watch my community page and watch me when I go live in October again. I will be using that forum once every month to see if I can help my channel to grow, to increase my watch hours, to increase how persons watch and interact with my videos. So I will be using that forum. I now have the opportunity, so I will be making use of it. And I really don't want to be doing really long videos. So just quick meals. Look at it. And I started to add my sauce on it. Look at the chicken. Quick and easy, can be eaten with bread, anything. Outdoor, there's my chicken all done already. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you watch my videos, like my videos, comment, share my videos too. Thank you again. See you soon again. Love you all. Stay blessed. Remember now, if you can't be good, don't do bad. Don't be bad.